So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your OnePay reward points. Now we're currently here on an iOS device and we're loaded up here on the homepage of the OnePay account. You can see right over here that is currently highlighted on the bottom left-hand side. So for us to go to our points, we can actually just go ahead and look at the top right-hand corner over here. You're going to see where it says points. If it's at 0, it's just going to show 0 points for you. But currently on this account, we have 5,000 points. We're going to go ahead and click anywhere here on the 5,000 points. And that's going to take us to our OnePay rewards. Now, we can actually see right over here, there are different ways to earn additional rewards for us. But for now, we just want to go ahead and redeem what we currently have. And it shows you your points balance and how much is available to redeem. So you can see here, it's 5,000 points. We'll get you $50. On the right-hand side over here, you're going to see the word redeem. Let's go ahead and click on that. And that's going to drop us right over here into the redeem page. And here it's going to ask us where we want to go ahead and send this $50 to. Now you can actually go back and just redeem a little bit less if you really wanted to. But for example, here today, we're going to go ahead and redeem the full amount. And you're going to see the 2 option right over here. It says the OnePay debit. But if you tap on this, you can also move it into the savings account as well. But we're going to go ahead and leave it as the debit for now. And we're going to go ahead and click here at the bottom that says redeem the $50. And right over here, you're going to see that $50 cashback has been redeemed. We can go ahead and click on done. Now back here on the home page, you can see our cash balance has gone up. And at the very top, you see where it says $50 has been added to our cash account. Now there is more to learn when it comes to using your OnePay account. And we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.